Google is at it again. They've just released a new AI chatbot called Bard, and it's designed to help writers take their craft to the next level. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Bard and see what it can do. Bard is a writing assistant that is specifically designed to help writers with the writing process. It provides targeted questions and suggestions to help writers develop their ideas, refine their writing style, and analyze their writing. In contrast, ChatGPT is a general-purpose language model that can generate text on a wide range of topics, including writing. One of the primary differences between Bard and ChatGPT is the level of personalization they offer. Bard is designed to work with specific user inputs, such as the topic of the writing and the intended audience. It then generates targeted suggestions based on this information. ChatGPT, on the other hand, generates text based on a prompt and doesn't provide specific feedback on writing style or structure. Another difference between Bard and ChatGPT is the level of technical expertise required to use them. Bard is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to a wide range of users, including those with no technical knowledge. In contrast, ChatGPT requires some knowledge of how to generate text using prompts and may be more suitable for users with some technical expertise. In summary, Bard and ChatGPT are both AI chatbots designed to generate text, but Bard is specifically tailored to assist with writing, while ChatGPT is a general-purpose language model. Bard offers a more personalized approach, while ChatGPT may require more technical expertise to use effectively.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.